In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install GPT for Gmail and how to write your first prompt. When you're on gpt.space, you go to Products, Gmail, and install the free add-on. Now you see our logo and a quick presentation. You click on Install on the right side and Continue. Then you select the account you want to use the add-on with. You click on Allow to let GPT for Gmail run as a Gmail add-on. And yes, believe it or not, it's that simple. You have a pop-up from Google telling you that the add-on has been installed. You click on Next and on Done. Great. Now let's use it to answer a mail. I go to my Gmail account and I refresh the page. Here I have a mail from GPT Workspace support requesting a call to give feedbacks on the add-on we're using. We're going to use the add-on to answer this email to save time and get the best possible answer. We click on the GPT for Gmail logo. First, we need to use a prompt. We can either write one or choose one of the pre-selected prompts. I'll simply choose one of the options. Now that I've decided on my prompt, I need to select the right tone. Obviously, the formal tone makes more sense here, but we can also choose to answer in a casual tone if we reply to colleagues, friends, or anyone we're close to. Okay, now, we have a specific answer matching our prompt, the tone we chose, and more importantly, the content of the mail thanks to the use of AI in our add-on. We add this to our draft. We edit it a little. And that's it for now. Feel free to explore the potential of this add-on by trying out various prompts and tones or writing your own prompts to custom it to your needs. Don't hesitate to have a look at our videos that show practical examples of use cases with GPT Workspace. If this video has helped you, you can also leave a like or comment. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed the show.